All right, so markets just got a pretty strong dose of optimism. And yeah, geopolitics is once again driving the whole story. Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, April 2nd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. All right, let's get started. So, looking at what happened yesterday, U.S. equities pushed higher as investors reacted to signs that tensions between the U.S. and Iran might actually cool down. The Standard & Poor's 500 rose about 0.7%, the Nasdaq gained roughly 1.1%, and the Dow Jones added around 0.5%. Now, what really moved the market wasn't earnings or data, it was politics. Reports suggested there could be a diplomatic off-ramp in the Iran conflict. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian signaled that Iran may be open to de-escalation, saying the country has the willingness to end the war under certain conditions. At the same time, comments from the White House pointed in a similar direction. Donald Trump indicated that the conflict might not last much longer, even suggesting U.S. involvement could end within 2 to 3 weeks. So, yeah, you could really feel that shift in sentiment across markets. And here's the interesting part. While equities rallied, oil moved the other way. Brent crude dropped about 2%, settling just above $101 per barrel, while U.S. crude hovered just above $100. That's a pretty classic setup. Easing geopolitical risk, stocks up, oil down. Now, all eyes are on what comes next, especially with further updates expected from Washington. All right, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.